Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Rick and Lisa here, and on today's video we're going to be riding the Conway Scenic Railway in Conway, New Hampshire. So we invite you guys to come along. Hey guys, so we made it here to North Conway at the train station. We're getting ready to go check in, get our tickets, and head out on the train. So Lisa, what train are we taking today?
We're gonna go on the Sawyer River excursion. It's like 2.5 hours and we can't wait.
Yeah, it should be great. Perfect weather today. I think it's in the mid 70s right now, and looking forward to getting out on the train and seeing some beautiful New Hampshire countryside. So let's go.
Come on.
The train station is located in historic downtown North Conway in the White Mountain region of New Hampshire. The Victoria-style train station is listed on the National Register of Historic Places and offers an authentic 19th century railroad experience for the travelers. The Conway Scenic Railroad offers a choice between 3 scenic excursions. The longest is the Mountaineer Excursion, and it offers a very scenic 4 to 5 hour rail journey through the Mount Washington Valley to Crawford Notch. The second option is the Sawyer River Excursion. This journey is about 2 hours long and 21 miles round trip, crossing over several bridges to the Sawyer River and back again. The third option is the Conway Valley Train. It is the shortest excursion at 11 miles round trip through the Conway Valley and just under 1 hour in duration.
The cost of the Mountaineer trip starts at $69. The Sawyer River excursion starts at $47, and the Conway Valley trip starts at $21. The excursion departs from this train station at the North Conway Village.
Okay, so you're going in here, up another set of stairs.
Boarding starts about 20 minutes before departure. Our seats were located on the upper deck and had a very nice panoramic view of the area. Once we got settled in, it was just a short wait until the train left the station.
The views from the upper deck seating were spectacular, but I could only imagine what they would look like during the fall.
After about 30 minutes, we decided to make our way to the dining car for lunch.
There are several dining options to choose from. Our train had a dining car with various snacks, drinks to purchase. We chose to buy the box lunch when we purchased our tickets. In the box lunch was either a ham or turkey sandwich or a vegetarian wrap, and it came with different options of coleslaw, potato chips, cookies, utensils, and a bottle of water.
After finishing lunch, we made our way back to our seats to enjoy some more of the great views. After about 30 minutes, I decided to get up and explore more of the train to enjoy the sights and sounds from a different vantage point. As I made my way forward on the train, I was lucky to reach the front passenger car just as we reached our turnaround point.
Bye.
This gave me a great opportunity to watch the locomotive release from the cars and switch tracks for our trip home. Before long, we were on our way again. So we found ourselves to the premium location out here on the, what is the back balcony?
Platform.
The back platform. So a fellow traveler allowed us to come out here and sit on the back platform. So it's a great little spot. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
All right, guys, so we just got back from our train ride, and it was a great experience. Lisa, what'd you think?
Oh, it was wonderful.
Yeah, so we did the 2.5 hour ride. It was the, was it Sawyer River
Yes.
ride? So here's some tips. So we went ahead and got the premium seating, which sits you up top of one of the cars, and you have kind of the panoramic windows. It was nice, but I think for what you got, I'm not sure if it was really worth the extra cost. It was air conditioned. Some of the other cars are not air conditioned, but you can't open the windows. I didn't necessarily stay seated very long. I was up taking pictures and looking at the scenery as the train was going down the tracks and everything. But here's a secret though that we found out. When you book your tickets, ask about sitting on the platform of one of the cars. We met a couple. They paid $3 extra for some seats to sit out on the back platform, and you see some of those photos during this video here. I think that was probably by far the best seat on the train. What do you think?
Yes, I agree, because when you're setting up where we sat, you're up in the treetops. Now that might be good during the fall time when the colors are changing, but right now all you see is leaves in the top of the trees.
Yeah, so again, it was a great experience. Would highly recommend it if you're in the North Conway, New Hampshire area. Yep, take it out for a ride. I mean, they've got the 1 hour ride, the 2 hour, and then I think the 5 hour train ride. Just find what suits your desires, and it's a great experience. So thanks for coming along, and if you haven't already done so, please give us a big thumbs up, like and subscribe, and if you got any questions or comments, leave them in the comments below, and we'll see you guys down the road.